Hi, I'm Rachel Richardson with Nutrilution in South Beach, Florida. In this clip, we're talking about which foods contain soy. So first off, soy is a very, very common and it's one of our most profitable crops in the United States. And for that reason that it's so abundantly growing, we use it in many, many different foods. And one of the things that we use it for is sort of a nutrient called lecithin. And it's used basically to help with emulsification of different foods. So it's used in different foods to help basically combine different ingredients and make them emulsified. A lot of people have chosen to eat soy because we've told them, or the government has told them, that soy is healthy. I'm here to tell you otherwise. Soy is actually a very unhealthy food for most people. And a couple of different foods that you can replace soy with is if you're drinking soy milk, you can use coconut milk instead. This is what I recommend for milk, or almond milk, or rice milk. And as far as ice cream, there's a great ice cream, this one right here. Again, that is coconut milk, so it's not soy and it's not dairy. This is Rachel with Nutrilution in Miami Beach, Florida.